Hello everyone, welcome to this session of Course on Vocabulary. In this session, we will discuss some words related to various professions. If you want to do exercises related to these words, then you can refer to the book Word Power Made Easy. And let us start now. The whole tooth. In this segment, we will delve into professions related to dental care and teeth. The term orthodontist originates from the fusion of orthos, which means straight or correct, and odontus, signifying tooth. Additionally, the term pedodontist stems from pedos, which means child, and odontus, and this specialist deals with the teeth problems of children. While periodontist is constructed using peri, which means around, and odontus, and this specialist deals with the gums, which are around the teeth. And these linguistic connections help us uncover essence of these vocations. Exploring dental specialties. Transitioning to the exploration of dental specialties, we shed light on additional terms. Endodontist find its roots in endo, which means inner, and odontus, focusing on tooth pulp and root canal surgeries. Similarly, exodontist is created by adding x, which means out, to odontus, which emphasizes tooth extractions. So these terms unveil the precise focus of each profession, enhancing our understanding of their domain. Measurement. Now let's talk about measurement. Optometrist emerges from the union of opsis and optikos, which means view or vision, and metron, which means measurement. Shifting our focus, now we can go to another word which is used for measurement. Let's see optometrist. Optometrist emerges from the union of opsis and optikos, which means vision, and metron, which means measurement. With further exploration of the root word metron, we come across words like thermometer, the instrument which measures temperature, barometer, the instrument which measures atmospheric pressure, and sphygmomanometer, which measures our blood pressure, and the metric system as well. Through these word origins, we grasp the integral role of the root word metron in describing measurement-related concepts. Bones, feet, and hands. Now let us focus our attention to these three words, bones, feet, and hands. An osteopath combines osteon, which means bones, with pathos, which means suffering. Although this specialist not only helps us relieve the suffering which happens because of bones, but he addresses a broader spectrum of health. Similarly, podiatrist emerges from pous or podos, which means foot, and iteria, which means medical healing, unveiling the world of foot care. And lastly, we come across chiropractors. The root is chiro, which means hand, and these practitioners utilize hands for therapy, rejuvenating the body's equilibrium. More about chiro. Finally, we come across the root chiro and some more words related to it. First is chirography, which means expert handwriting, and a chirographer signifies a specialist in handwriting who can identify and testify the handwriting or signatures in legal issues as well. Additionally, there is another term, chiromancy, which relates to prediction of events through looking at the lines on our hands. So this was today's session, and we will meet in the next session with some more terms. Until then, thank you and bye-bye.